I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Apache NetBeans 13 on Windows operating system. To get the software, in Google search box, write there Apache NetBeans, then go on this NetBeans Apache org site. There you can get this Apache NetBeans 13 version. Let's click on this download button. There you can get this download Apache NetBeans 13. So this here binary platform independent. So let's click on this zip file and wait for few seconds. See the file is downloading. NetBeans 13-pin zip file. Total size 497 MB. See this zip file that's downloaded. Let's click on this join folder. Thereafter, simply you need to extract the file. Right click there. Then click on this extract. Here, this is the location. Click on this extract button. So file is now extracting. This you can see the new directory that's created, and this is the status of extraction. And that extracted, thereafter simply you need to click on this and NetBeans. There you need to scroll down. So here this bin directory. Then you can see our NetBeans 64 and this NetBeans. So let's click on this NetBeans and wait for few second times. See NetBeans directory that's come there. So if I go into this command prompt and if I write there Java version. So Java version 26 that install. If I write there Java, so that's all come and Java C. So if that comes, that means part that has been settled. Thereafter, simply you need to create a new project. Java Maven, Java application, that's fine. Click on this next. So this now configuring the Java cluster and activating Java SE. So there, let's give this name Java app. Thereafter, simply you need to click on this finish. So this here, writing and the name and location. So this is our building directory and creating the project. So this is the default code and here this is now background scanning process is going on. Now to run this, right click there. So run file currently or disable is there. So wait for few second times. So this building a scanning project that's done. Now run file enable. Click on this run file. And here you can see JDK 26 automatically detected there. And a scanning for project. And here you can see some process is going on. Run Java app 50%, that's completed. Now you can see hello world, that's the display. Let's do some changes. So that's included. Right click, run file. So this here, Java home and scanning. So this is now hello world, this display. So this is how we can install Apache NetBeans 30 and run Java code. So I hope guys this video is still helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.